Zifam. And this is Ali, and you're watching Motive Wacky. Welcome to our channel. The Western culture has dominated all over the world. जिसे देखो वो Western culture को adopt कर रहा है. But we are proud that Indians are at the high position in this industry. Here is a list of a few Indians who have taken the Western Hemisphere by storm. First comes Lily Singh. Lily Singh is a Canadian YouTuber and talk show host. She initially gained fame under the name Superwoman. लिली सिंह ने 2010 में YouTube वीडियोस बनाना शुरू किए. लिली सिंह डिप्रेशन का शिकार भी थी, पर अगर इंसान अपना पैशन फॉलो करे और गोल फिक्स कर ले तो वो सक्सेस का पहला कदम होगा.
Till that point in my life, I don't know if it was just the culture I grew up in or the other family members I had that were walking a path. I really did genuinely believe that life was very linear. You're going to go to university and then you're going to get a job and then you're going to get married and then you're going to have kids. Because everyone around me, that's what they did. And I didn't see life as this fluid thing that you could create your own path with and do whatever you want. I was just like, this is the way life is. And one of the reasons was because of school. Had that never happened, I would not be Superwoman. I might not be making YouTube videos. I might not believe any of the things I believe because I was a really different person back then. But people ask, how did you get out of depression? And my answer is genuinely, I don't know.
आज लिली सिंह शाहरुख खान और ओबामा जैसे लोगों को अपना फैन बना चुकी है. In 2017, was placed 10th in Forbes highest paid YouTubers list. 2014 से लेकर अब तक वो हर YouTube Rewind वीडियो में रही है except 2019. 2019 में Forbes ने उसे 40 most powerful people in comedy के लिस्ट में इंक्लूड किया. अब तक लिली सिंह ने एक MTV फैंडम अवार्ड, 4 स्ट्रीमी अवार्ड, 2 टीन चॉइस अवार्ड और 1 पीपल्स चॉइस अवार्ड जीते हैं. Since September 2019, she hosts an NBC late night talk show, A Little Late with Lily Singh. Currently, she has almost 15 million subscribers. Hasan Minhaj. Hasan Minhaj is blazing the whole world with the trial of political and cultural commentary. Hasan Minhaj एक bold, funny और comedian है.
He tweets at 3 a.m. sober. Who is tweeting at 3 a.m. sober? Donald Trump, because it's 10 a.m. in Russia. Those are business hours.
Hasan Minhaj was born on 23rd September 1985. He got married to his university sweetheart and also has a daughter. The net worth he has is $4 million. He is not only a stand-up comedian but also a political commentator. इनका जो इंस्पिरेशन था वो थे क्रिस रॉक. जब इन्होंने क्रिस रॉक का शो देखा नेवर स्केर्ड, जब
money, and we all go to the same church, the church at ATM. Everywhere you look, there's a new branch popping up, reminding you about how much money you got or how much money you don't got.
And that
का शो है, इसका नाम है पेट्रियट एक्ट विद हसन मिनाज, जिसके करेंटली अब 33 एपिसोड्स हैं. इनके फादर के साथ इन्हों भी जब इंडिया माइग्रेट हुए. Next comes Naomi Scott. Naomi Scott was born on May 6, 1993 in London. She is an English actress and singer who is better known for starring as Princess Jasmine in Disney's Aladdin. उसने Power Rangers और Charlie's Angels जैसे movies में भी काम किए. Her mother Usha Joshi was of Gujarati descent who later immigrated to the UK. Scott started her singing career with the Bridge Church Youth Band. उसका पहला रोल था 2011 के Lemonade Mouth में. Later on, she was cast in a science fiction series Terra Nova in 2011. She also won the Teen Choice Award for her role in Aladdin. Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai, we are proud that an Indian is the CEO of the world's largest company, Google. Sundar Pichai was born on 12th July 1972 और इनके फादर एक इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर थे.
जब वो 12 साल के थे, his father brought a landline phone. और the good quality he had in himself was जितने नंबर थे मोबाइल के, he used to learn it. जितने अब तक उनको याद है नंबर. Sundar Pichai, he completed his engineering from IIT Kharagpur. फिर वहाँ से वो US कैलिफोर्निया जाकर स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी से इन्होंने मास्टर्स किया. After that, he pursued MBA from Morton School of Pennsylvania. फिर जब गूगल ज्वाइन करने से पहले इन्होंने और 2 कंपनीज में काम किया, वो थे मैकेंसीज एंड को एंड ऑल्सो अप्लाइड मटेरियल्स. फिर जब 2007 में ही गॉट एन आइडिया विद हिज टीम टू क्रिएट अ ब्राउज़र. जितने जब टीम के साथ आइडिया आया तो 2008 में गूगल ने क्रोम लॉन्च किया. आज क्रोम the world's most used browser में से है. 2015 was his day that he became the CEO of the Google. CEO बनने से पहले इनको Microsoft और Twitter के भी ऑफर आ चुके थे, पर Google ने इनको हाई कंपनसेशन देकर अपनी तरफ रख लिया.
Let me tell you a little bit about my personal journey to Silicon Valley from India 22 years ago. Growing up in India, like many of you, I got my first telephone when I was 12. In my case, it turned out to be a rotary phone, so it wasn't that great for selfies, but I still loved to call my friends, play with it, and sometimes take it apart. That telephone cemented my fascination with technology. I remember in my parents' house in Chennai, reading about the invention of the transistor at Bell Labs. Of course, that initial invention helped found what became known as Silicon Valley, and out of that came companies like Fairchild Semiconductor and Intel and all the computers and software that we all use today. You can draw a direct line from
जब आदमी में पैशन हो और जिद हो अपने गोल अचीव करने के लिए तो कुछ भी कर सकता है. जब इरादा हो ऊंची उड़ान का तो फुजुल है कद आसमान का.
Next comes Russell Peters. Russell Peters was born on September 29, 1970. He is a Canadian stand-up comedian, actor and producer. He started his career in 1989. His father, Eric Peters, was born in Bombay, who later immigrated to Toronto, Canada. He was constantly bullied in school because of his ethnicity. He later on learned boxing, which helped him resist the bullying. 1990s में वो एक DJ भी थे. 1992 में he met George Carlin, one of his biggest influencers, who advised him to get on stage whenever and wherever possible. Russell Peters ने एक TV show भी किया, Comedy Now, in 2004, which was very popular on YouTube.
I'm gonna let out a secret about Indian people for all the people here or all the people watching, whoever, wherever you are. If you're not Indian, this is a message to you on behalf of all Indian people. Hope my brown people don't get upset that I'm letting out our secret. But just so you guys know, Indian people are fully aware of what their accent sounds like. We don't actually need you
on YouTube. Later on, उन्होंने shows भी किए which were completely sold out. Russell Peters अपने stand-up comedy में racial, ethnic और observational humor use करते हैं.
us when we're not around. It's an accent. We're not deaf. Don't think when we walk into Home Depot and go, hello, I'm looking for paint. Yeah, it's right down that aisle over there, sir. Hey, Jim, did you hear that guy? He's looking for paint. 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 Hey, let's go have a cigarette and talk like this for half an hour.
use करते हैं. He has also received 2 Canadian Comedy Awards, 1 Gemini Award, 1 Peabody Award, and an International Emmy Award. हम इनके लाइफ स्टोरी से एक कहावत कह सकते हैं कि कामयाबी का जुनून होना चाहिए, फिर मुश्किलों की क्या औकात है.
Guys, if you like this channel, please subscribe to it and hit the bell icon for the next notification.
Let us know what you think about our video in the comments below and stay tuned for part 2. Until next time,
Stay home, stay safe.